lovelies, welcome back to World Post TV channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. Imagine getting paid just for watching movies, Netflix shows, or even YouTube videos. Sounds unreal, right? If you regularly subscribe to watch Netflix movies, or you're always on any other movie platforms, you should also earn money while watching those movies. Today, I will share with you 2 apps that will pay you to watch your favorite movies. So instead of you watching those movies for free, here you get paid for doing it. Wouldn't you want to get paid doing what you love? First up, let's talk about media rewards. This app lets you earn money while you're watching your favorite shows, movies, TV, YouTube, and even listening to music. And the best part, it's super easy to use. All you need to do is watch content you already love and let media rewards take care of the rest by tracking your viewing habits. The more you watch, the more you earn through gift cards and prize draw. Think about it as getting paid for something you're already doing anyways. Pretty sweet deal, right? To start earning gift cards and prize draws, just install the app and leave it in the background to run. As easy as it sounds. Oh yeah. In order to get started, first step, you install the app from your app store and sign up. Second step, you allow the app to run in the background. It runs smoothly, so you need not worry about it. And you may be wondering, Miss Tina, why should I use this app? Number 1, it has low battery usage, like 1% per hour. Number 2, it has low data usage, like 100 kilobytes per day. Number 3, your data is secured. Now, let's head over to the second app. But while we do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I appreciate it. And if you are one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting, and may universe support you. Share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Number 2, it's GV videos. I have gathered over 2 million points watching local movies on this app. I can easily cash out these points through PayPal or Perfect Money. This app lets you earn points by simply watching short videos. This one is great because you can watch anything from funny clips to movie trailers and ads. GV Video rewards you with the points for every video you watch, and these points can be exchanged for real cash, PayPal, or gift cards. It's perfect for those quick breaks when you just want to chill and watch something light. In order to get started, first, you install the app and sign up. Secondly, you click on the search button and type any of your favorite movies. By default, it will show you your local movies, but you can change that by using the search button. Thirdly, to increase your earnings, tap on the $ at the bottom right corner and you will see other ways to increase your points. And the best part, which is to withdraw, tap on your points at the top and choose your preferred withdrawal method. You watched to this point. Congratulations. Now let me share with you my number 1 app to increase your earnings. Use the link in the description and pinned comments to register an account on YSense. I have made $75 passively watching videos on the app, and I have also withdrawn 8. And guess what? I would have made so much more than that if I had more time to spend on the app. I think you should give it a try and let me know in the comment section how this is coming for you. Lovelies, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to WellPause TV channel, like this video, share with your family and friends, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our updates. And let me know in the comment section which of these two apps are you most excited to try. GV videos or media rewards or both. Until I see you in my next one, happy watching, happy earning.